What's up everybody, Jacob Blank here and back with another YouTube video. I'm finally posting a YouTube video. I know it's been a couple of months since I last posted, and that's because I've been working on a ton of stuff behind the scenes. Not only did I completely redo the studio, but I've been working on something that you guys have been asking me for and have been waiting for a long time. And so that's why this video is a huge announcement. So many of you have been asking for me to put out a course or put out a Learn How to Wholesale program, and I have finally done just that. I am ready to release to you my REI Scalers Learn How to Wholesale program. That's right, Real Estate Investing Scalers Learn How to Wholesale program. I have finally completed it and I'm so happy to bring it to you. I was actually supposed to put out this program back in March of 2021, but I wasn't able to get around to it, and I finally was able to make the time and get the product done to bring to you guys before the end of the year. Now, for all of you that are looking to get into wholesaling real estate, REI Scalers Learn How to Wholesale program is exactly what you need to get started. It teaches you everything you need to know, and it teaches you in depth everything from step by step how to get your first deal, and then from there on go and scale to making over $100,000 a month. So for a beginner, this program is good, and even for an experienced investor, this program is good, because we have to remember that the number one thing in real estate that's most important is finding good deals. And in this program, whether you're a beginner or whether you're an experienced investor, I'm teaching you that one most important principle of being able to find good real estate deals. So for everyone that's been asking for me to put out a program like this so that way you can learn everything you need to know about wholesaling real estate, the time is now. I am giving the program for 50% off for the release. So it is normally $997, but I'm giving away the program for just $497. There's a link in the description to be able to access the program, or just go to reiscalers.com. But now that that's said, I actually want to jump on the computer and show you exactly what's in the program, video by video, section by section, so that way you can see the value that REI Scalers is bringing to you for you to be able to learn everything you need to know. So that being said, let's jump on the computer. All right, so now let me show you exactly what's in the REI Scalers program. So first things first, I want you to keep in mind that in this Learn How to Wholesale program, I'm going to be teaching you for over 5 hours. There's over 5 hours of educational videos in this program that shows you exactly how to wholesale real estate step by step. So I'm really going in depth with you, talking for over 5 hours about exactly how to wholesale real estate. So it's a good sized program and teaches you everything you need to know. From there on, after I teach you step by step how to wholesale and get your first deal, from there on, I'm going to show you how to produce over $100,000 a month, how to start making over $100,000 a month, so that way you can really achieve financial freedom through wholesaling real estate. So in those 5 hours of me teaching you, this is what it breaks down to. At first, I'm going to show you how to get your first deal. This program shows you how to start from scratch and get your first wholesale deal step by step using proven techniques. Then we're going to dive into marketing. I'm going to dive deep into every single marketing channel that drives motivated seller leads to you in order for you to get multiple wholesale deals a month. Then we're going to jump into sales and acquisitions. I'm going to show you all these different techniques on how to better your sales skills in order to lock up more deals and create bigger opportunities. I'm going to be going over how to build rapport without the seller even knowing it, the Me Too technique, the 310s, the straight line theory. I'm going to be going over every single sales skill you need to know in order to get more deals and create bigger opportunities. Then we're going to go into closing deals and dispositions. In this program, I go over everything you need to know how to get a contract from open to close. So that way, once you get that contract signed, you know how to take it through the process and actually get paid. And so that breaks down into, I'm going to show you how to market the deal to buyers, how to sell the deal, title companies, escrow process, and all of that is covered. So that way you know how to sell your deals and get paid. Then we're going to dive deep into property evaluation. Being able to properly evaluate properties is so important in becoming a successful wholesaler. In this program, I go over exactly how to find the exact property value and from there calculate a profitable offer to make the seller. Then we dive deep into mindset and scaling. We have to remember that wholesaling is hard and it's not easy, but it is worth it. And so having the proper mindset will set you up for success, and that's exactly what I give you in this program. And then from there, I show you how to scale from one deal to producing over $100,000 a month. So there's a little bit about what's in it. On the site at reiscalers.com, there's a little video that tells you more about it. And then also on reiscalers.com, there is a bunch of testimonials from past people that I've helped in real estate. So that way you can see what I have been able to do to other students and how I've helped them change their life with real estate just like I've changed mine. And then down here is a breakdown of exactly what's in the program. So first, we're going to have a welcome video. This is where I give you all the tips that you're going to need before this program, and I tell you what skills you're going to need in order to have success. And so that's what the welcome video is. And then we have the discounts, links, and downloads. Just by becoming an REI Scaler student, you're going to get discounts on every single service you need to hold real estate. So I'm going to be giving you every single real estate service at a discount that you're going to need. So you're literally going to make your money back just by becoming an REI Scaler student with all the discounts that you get by becoming a student. And then also I'm going to be giving you a bunch of free downloads for being an REI Scaler student. I'm going to give you a contract addendum. I'm going to give you a nationwide list of investor-friendly title companies. I'm going to be giving you a purchase contract, an assignment contract, a bunch of free scripts, and a bunch more. I'm going to be giving you a long glossary of real estate terms as well. So you're going to be getting a ton of stuff right here just for becoming an REI Scaler student. So just right there, that's worth it. And then I'm going to dive into the background, a little bit about me, and then from there I'm going to be talking about what exactly is wholesaling. And then I'm going to jump into wholesaling terminology and real estate terms, because I think it is really important that you know real estate terms, so that way when people are talking to you about your deals and whatnot, you know what they're talking about. So we're going to dive deep into that, and then I'm also going to provide you a glossary of over 100 real estate terms for you to learn, so that way you are well versed in real estate terminology. And then I go into explaining the wholesaling process to you as a wholesaler, so that way you know exactly how the process works. And then I give you my ideal roadmap to your first deal. I'm going to be showing you exactly what roadmap you should take to your first deal to get that deal for the least amount of money invested and in the least amount of time. So that part right there is so important, that I'm showing you how to get your first deal and the exact roadmap to take to that first deal. So that part's huge right there. And then we go into marketing and data. I'm going to be diving deep into every single marketing channel, so that way you know what they all are. And then I'm going to show you where to conduct that marketing with the marketing channel providers. And then I'm going to show you every single type of motivated seller list. And then I'm going to show you exactly where to pull the lists from. And I'm going to give you discounts on all those providers. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to pull those lists from PropStream and from Cole Realty Resource and give you a discount on those services. And then a huge thing right here, I'm going to show you exactly in Excel and Google Sheets how to clean your data, how to split and clean up your data in order to get it ready to market to. And so that's huge right there. And then we go into systems. I'm going to be going over the phone dialing systems and dialers. I'm going to show you how to use a dialer and give you a discount on the dialer that I use. I'm going to show you what systems to use to manage your leads, so that way you can properly follow up with the leads and stay organized, so that way no deal gets lost. And then I am going to show you the systems you need for a legit wholesaling business, so that way you know what you need to put in place in order to scale your business to do over $1 million a year. Then we're going to jump into acquisitions and sales skills. I'm going to be going over my purchase and assignment contract in depth with you. I'm going to show you how to send an e-signature, so that way you can lock up deals virtually and through the computer. I'm going to show you how to fill out a contract addendum, what they're used for, and how to send one to a seller. I'm going to show you the lead process from getting the motivated seller lead to locking up the deal. And so we're going to dive deep into the lead process, because I think that's very important for you to know. And then we're going to go into tips when talking to sellers. And right here I'm going to go over everything you need to know about building rapport. And then I'm going to show you how to explain the process to the seller. So that way you know how to explain the process to the seller of how the transaction process works. Because 9 out of 10 times the seller is going to ask you, so what happens after we sign the contract? What does the process look like? So I'm going to make sure you know how to explain that to the seller. And then next we have a 21-minute video on sales skills where I go in depth on the straight line theory, the 3-10s rule, the Me Too technique, how to build rapport, how to use different departments to your advantage. All of that I'm going to be showing you right there, so that way you can better your sales skills, lock up more deals, and create bigger opportunities. Then we go into calculating the offer. I'm going to show you my offer method, my offer formula. I'm going to show you how to determine the remodel cost. I'm going to show you how to determine the investor's profit percentage in your market. And then I'm going to show you my offer calculator and give you a discount on it. And this calculator does all the calculations for you. And then I'm going to run comps in front of you for some hands-on experience for 20 minutes. And then we're going to jump into scaling. I'm going to show you exactly what KPIs to track in your business, what key performance indicators to track. I'm going to show you the best sheet to track your KPIs with and your transactions, and you're going to get a discount on that as well. And then I'm going to show you the keys to scaling your business. I'm going to show you how to hire employees and break down my hiring procedure in front of you. And then I'm going to show you how to virtually wholesale. And then in the bonus, I'm going to show you the free Zillow marketing strategy. I'm going to show you how to do bandit signs the right way. I'm going to show you fix and flip tips and tricks so that way, once you become a successful wholesaler, you know how to start fix and flipping as well. And then I'm going to show you how to use virtual assistants to your advantage, which is key to scaling your business and becoming more successful. I'm going to show you how to set up an LLC. I'm going to show you what to do, whether it's vacant at close or whether there's post-possession. And I'm going to show you what to do if the seller cancels with you. All of this so that way you know exactly what to do in every situation. And then in the conclusion, I'm going to give you a game plan on what to do after you get paid from closing your first deal, so that way you know how to reinvest the profits from your first deal in order to see more success. And then a little conclusion video where I tell you again how happy I am for you to get through this program and start your real estate journey. I congratulate you for making it through the program. And then again, the discounts, links, and downloads where you will be provided discounts on every single service you could need to wholesale real estate at a discount because you're an REI Scaler student. So that being said, REI Scalers Learn How to Wholesale program literally goes into everything you need to know to learn how to wholesale real estate. And just by becoming a student, you get discounts on so many different products and services, as well as a bunch of free downloads. So if you have been looking to get into wholesaling real estate and you don't know where to get knowledge from, REI Scalers Learn How to Wholesale program is for you. So if you are ready to start your real estate journey and start changing your life with real estate just like I have changed mine, go to reiscalers.com and start the program today. There is also a link in the description to start the program. But like I said earlier in this video, this program is normally $997, but for the release, I am giving the program half off for $497. So make sure you start the program today so that way you can get that discount of half off and get the program for $497. And I hope that this is exactly what you needed. I know a ton of people were asking me to put something out like this, and I finally did it, and I'm so excited to share all my knowledge with you guys and see the success that you get from it. So that being said, again, the link is in the description for REI Scalers, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the red button. But other than that, I'm so excited to bring this to you guys, and I will see you in the next video.